Look, I know my guitar is out of tune. I know I suck at playing. The point of this video was not to impress you with my shred skills. It was just to show you the difference between a piece of shit stock wooden saddle or the Tusq saddle. That was it. Nothing more. Now go away. Okay, so here we have a old Gibson acoustic. It's a country western model, 68, 69 model. Not quite sure exact year. And it has Martin SP acoustic strings. I bought Tusq saddle for it. And I'm going to see if it makes a difference in tone. Sound quality, blah blah blah. It has the stock rosewood or mahogany or whatever the hell the saddle is on it now. It's adjustable. And Tusq makes the new bridge adjustable. And it has a little groove so it fits stock, you know, without any kind of modifications. So anyway, I want to give a before test and see what the guitar sounds like before and after, and does it really make a difference? Is it worth the money? Blah blah blah. So excuse my playing, and here's the before tones. Okay, and hopefully we'll hear it in a second. Okay, and now we're back, and it's got the Tusq saddle in here. I had to sand a little bit on the edges to make it fit in the bridge a little better, but other than that, that's all I've done, and everything else fit great. And I changed my bridge pins to Tusq ones too, just because the other ones were black plastic shit. So here is the proof in the pudding. It does seem a little louder to me. It seems to have a nicer sustain. So you tell me if you think. You be the judge.